Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name's Racquel Henry, the founder here at Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 1-minute video. So we are coming to the end of NaNoWriMo. As you know, our motivational minutes this month are geared towards all the writers doing National Novel Writing Month. And today, what I really want to say to you is to celebrate if you did anything at all this month. Don't think about the word count. Don't think about anything that happened during this month, what you didn't do, what you did do, all that stuff. Don't even worry about it. Did you write something this month? Did you get words on the page? Did you maybe even finish an outline? Did you rework an outline? Did you get any clarity within your story? Did you flesh out a character in your story? If you did any of that, it all counts. And I hope that you are proud of all the work that you've done this month, whether you wrote only one word or you wrote the 50,000, the full 50,000 or more, right? Be proud of what you did and celebrate even those tiny wins. If you advanced your story, then you did a good job this month, all right? Thanks so much for sticking with us, y'all. If you liked this video, be sure to actually like it on YouTube, subscribe, and share. And we'll bring you more motivational minutes. We'll be back to our usual pep talks that are non-National Novel Writing Month related. But even these nano talks can be applied to your regular writing life too. So I hope everybody had a fun month. I know we have roughly 2.5-ish days left, but keep writing, keep moving your story forward, and we'll see you on the next Motivational Minute. Bye.